Hello everyone, today I will be showcasing our crash predictor bot for Stake. This bot is made in Python, making it one of the fastest crash predictors. The free trial for our crash predictor bot is available in the description. This bot will predict the next multiplier and is usually very accurate. Although the bot isn't always 100% accurate at all times, it is better than guessing yourself since it uses various machine learning techniques to analyze the hash. You can get started by downloading it from the description below and extracting it with WinRAR. Right-click the archive and select Extract here. Enter the password 1234 to unlock the archive. Once you have extracted the predictor panel, run the bot and press the Start Trial button to begin predicting. Make sure to extract the bot and do not run it within the WinRAR window or else it won't work. That's it for this video. Comment below if you have any questions or need help using the predictor.